In this video, I'm going to show you the improvements that we have made to the Accord 127 form for Business Auto. So I'm going to take you into my Business Auto policy and then Business Auto. And as you can see, I have 8 vehicles here. So when I go up to the Acord Library and go to 127, since there's more than 4 vehicles, it'll automatically open the Accord 129 for the additional vehicles. So you can see 5 through 8 are listed here. I'm going to close out of this and it brings you to your 127. So if you go to page 3, you can see my first 4 vehicles. If you have any questions, please let us know.